Share this video, guys. How do I say this year, Gororo? This year not go easy. A lot of things is going to stop this year. Let's start unveiling the unveilable. Hey. Yeah, Susu. Yes, it's a journey in the yes, it's a journey. I'm your son, you want to. I'm your son, you want to. Listen, why are you so angry, Suzy Suzy? Augustine Yash. Wahala jam rock. I am your friend of you. Look your friend of you. I want to go there. Don't ever leave the method. Yes, the Savior. Yeah, I saw it. I saw her, Suzy Suzy. Yeah, I saw her. I saw her, Ibe-eki Musa. Ibe-eki Musa, what no? Umenwan, the way we do. Happy New Year, I saw her. Welcome to New Year's. Oh, yeah. The Savior Musa. Yeah, where now. Oh, VSOP. I was saga here. You come back VSOP, don't saga Umenwan. Either you buy VSOP, you buy my turn. I want to play this one for Suzy Suzy. Sometimes Yaga go somebody sleep, Yaga go wake up. This year he go roro. It's not going easy for the Israelite children to cross the Red Sea. The title of this year is Igororo. A grazie a 899 e fino al 6 gennaio la consegna gratis con 3 solo di vari di qualità. This music is dedicated to Suzy Suzy, the adulterous woman. This is Suzy Suzy. This is Nosiba. Social media, voila. Well, not forget to Goddaughter versus Godson. Then want to play 10. Sagawa puto, sagawa yo sarap. For those of you watching me, you can still know me. For those who watch me from Facebook, I join my YouTube chat live now. I'm going to be ending the Facebook, goes to YouTube. You understand? If you're watching me from Facebook, join my YouTube. Do this video on YouTube live. You understand? I'm going to expose Suzy Suzy. Wella. And then I'll say, if I talk something for this social media, Suzy Suzy knows say that it's true to be how they talk about them. You know the lie against them. All these years they come where they saga Suzy. That's why body they pepper and if you see my mouth at the horse. Now, somebody just come out now. One can expose Suzy Suzy. Suzy Suzy did video. You know, say, you know how to talk. Suzy Suzy go out to Ogi. You go out to talk things. Now go hear the food gist now of Suzy. All right, from Facebook, join me on my YouTube channel, sharply, and they go there. Oh, that's the number. I will leave you guys now. This man, one of the see for screens too. Wait. Sandra, being processed. This is Noziba. This is the man where Suzy Suzy married for Nigeria. This man, Suzy Suzy born 2 children for. One for Nigeria, one for Murcia, for Spain. The picking where they would now when they head up and down. Now this man born and for. This man, how this man to enter abroad? What he pursue this man enter abroad? No, go. This man is a wanted criminal, is a wanted killer for Benin. Weapons, what Suzy born for? Suzy has never one day tell the whole world the man we born for. What he make enter abroad? You get why? Wahala jab rock. Oh yeah, let's go there. We'll play music. So for you of you waiting for Facebook, we're not join my YouTube. We'll play audio. You understand? We'll play audio. And it's just not take time. If you provoke me this evening, I'll carry the person come live. You get my point now? We'll remove the come live. This time around this year, evidence go to smell. Proof go to smell. The saga of this year is saga with evidence and proof. Anything when they talk, bring proof, come out, make people they see, they hear, they listen. You get my point now? When they don't say yes, you be real saga person. They really do saga with proof. Not be say that they say, now they can't say, now they say, so say, all your saga now say, now full. Don't be say, they say, he say, work by ear. Anybody when they give you info, don't want to conflict talk for your live broadcast. They go cook base. You understand? This year saga is going to be upgraded in a different dimension. You get my point now. So we can see that one of the judges the saga. And for those of you who say they watch, your own fisting fall out too, because this year it go raw. Everybody's a suspect. You understand? So if you all fall out, madam or guy, they watch this video, so don't else reason now they will say bang, you sit down and watch your own. The way they watch people own, it's your wife. So do the right thing so that if your own come out, people say, this woman too good, this man too good, and I know this man, bros, I know this man. Put on speaker, I know, you know the story now, know the vibes. That's how you be. I will leave you guys now from Facebook. I'm gonna join my YouTube channel. Sharply as they don't go now very. You get my point. We'll go to the losses. One go to the losses for the new year. Suzy, happy new year. This year go raw, not be joke. Oh God. Let's go there. Huh? I was saying, well, no, get there, yes. Oh, that's the no point. Go share the video, guys. I was saying, esse my pomelo, my when I pass it. That's my beautiful mommy. You one of the guys I must greet you. What I must see. If you are going to go very okuna. I was saying, no, I'm gonna say no, when away your way. Oh, when I was saying, oh, look at that, you said. When they put the necessary always say, whoever I say now will go well. That's the way you oh, my body. Oh. Keep dropping the like the video. Like the video. I want you. I was saying, I know you was your Bueno. Now I say, I know you was your. Now I say, I know you was your way. Bueno. Bueno. Now I say, I know you was your. Good morning. I greet you all with better style. Oh, I thought for national pistol ring. Oh, I must do that for national pistol ring. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better style. I'm also talk for national pistol ring. Please, if you're watching this broadcast, don't hesitate to share this video. It is very, very important. You know what I'm saying? It is very, very important. Share the video. Split the video. Please share this video and tag Suzy Suzy for this video. Suzuki wanna tag and join this video. That part has to be hot. In any star. You know. I know say me and carry the prepared comments. The first video we will play. Now where Suzy shoot herself for leg. You understand? So I go play video for now. Now I'm gonna listen. Then as they listen, and they listen very careful. And after that, I'll come play audio of the person which Suzy the rest. They replied, the saga for social media. Suzy believe saying get man to talk. You go fit do saga other fellow women like we not go fit talk. They not get the platform. But by day, maybe Umenwan. Anybody they try to oppress you when you know the truth, call me. I go open my platform for you to speak. Now free of charge. I go open my platform for you, speak. You understand? You see all these shower women, we can't do a shower for abroad, we say they don't get respect for themselves. All this they will not get respect. We go sit down for chair, where stretch mark don't finish their destiny. Whether they use organic cream, they paint their body like Camilla paints, and will continue to be disgrace them until they change. Now, let me play Suzy Suzy video, which she do. This saga person, and the person now don't come out, can reply to Suzy in a very raw way. Not be joke. Now we say no you westion where you be gui. Now we say no you westion where you be gui. Well no where you be gui. Well no where you be gui. Now we say no you westion where you be gui. Now we say no you care where you be. Share this video, my people. Let's go. This is New Year. Now, year of saga, year of woto, year of ta, year of ta. Now, my people, I agree to know better start. The voice record, the video where they play so now Suzy doing trying to talk about the luxury marriage, not luxury. Where those couple useless couple come for Germany go Nigeria, where they give so do. Now she will talk about her. From there, she can go enter one chance. Because when you talk too much, you begin to talk like she can go enter one chance. With a lady where she know for Murcia na city for Spain, where Suzy for born in last child, where Suzy husband, where they call Noziba Day, where that son of Ziba now pregnant Suzy for Nigeria, where Suzy the very first child for him. Where that one enter abroad, after that one knock back person, they find him, they declare wanted, they call on enter John. Now, the Suzy now constantly, more than come carry a trolley, come abroad, come Italy. Suzy come to Torino, they do a shower for Torino. I have said all these things on my live broadcast before. Suzy refused to pay the madam we carry a come. He can't base. Suzy na causa. The reason why for Suzy they enter most of this women body because why? The cost what they use the cost, they never return them. That causa. Suzy go Nigeria, go to look for a 2-way week of native to Sharon, where they for cost them. Before you reach there, native to don't buy. Snake where is into the trade, just swallow the Aproko, which is the clitoris of Suzy or Umenwan. Both Aproko, a 2-way, snake swallow them. As the rich are born, may they go return cost for Suzy or both buy. Or both don't give up, don't leg up. I'm marrying me a 2-way, I'm marrying me Aproko. That is why you see those women, they hardly stay with up for us. They don't get man for us. Suzy Oyibo, when you say marry, it's called Papa Jiro. Where carry Suzy for road walk for streets. The man get wife for us. The man has never married Suzy. The so-called Ostomoken husband. Hey, voila. Suzy's story is a dirty story that every woman will not have to even hear for a year. My people, we couldn't listen to Suzy first. Then I'll come play the woman audio. And I will hear the woman's story. Oh, go there. When I help me share this video, when I invite Suzy to this broadcast.
Understand? A meeting or a meeting in no my stress me. Or say, I really don't think by meeting in Nigeria. Behold, my darling people, there was a time. A let your panel deported in Musi and Agati Stella. Stella life goes on. He are not deported in no way. Or ya name me until Romo Gagi or understanding a good yota. Or Raki Musi Ayawe in no way as a young lady. Oh, yeah, aware a business in here. Honor you never go to a business and another go okay? Yeah, he back to do it because she was not a good person. But I only got the Musi and we Stella to me, I really lost that to the extent. In order to have a no way, or you have to pay expire with no way and deported. I know they see
one of the list to Suzy. You can control truth forever. You can never control lies forever. Stella was not a good person. That's what she said from the beginning. They call you, and you really love that person. Along the line, you praise the woman now. The person that was not a good person, along the line, you praise her now. From the beginning, she was not a good person. Stella was not a good person. We're not going to see Stella on. And after this, parameter, if time permit me the evening or tomorrow, I'm going to bring Stella on live broadcast. Stella is ready to expose Suzy to the fullest. Now, intro, Indofe dropped so. Suzy believe say no one to do saga. Stella tell us say in the Nigeria, in 20 Europe before you come. In that day Europe, you don't make money before you come Europe. You understand? So in know you too well. Now, blessing mosquito. When I help me share this video will affect many people. Blessing mosquito mosqueque. Get ready. You are going to be coming out live on this my live broadcast to also give your own side of the story. Because this video go raw. This year, he go raw. This matter go jump people. Why are fake accounts? Why many? Why tell okay? Ozen why do we put here do car? The plan Umenwan. Very agreeable one. Na me talking. Blessing Mosquito. Blessing, aka Blessing Mosquito. That be your guy's name. One until the hustle. Normal level. Voila. Asha will not be working na management you. Choyawa. It's Segwario. Yeah. Eh, ajo. Mi jẹ́ mọ́tò yẹn náà ikùdí rẹ̀ udi àgbà yìí ka ìpẹ̀wẹ́ ọmọ mi jẹjẹ udi mi dé dátọ̀ obìnrin mi wọ́n ti bọ́bọ́ èyàrá wa jùrù bẹ́ ìbábà gbàgbà rẹ̀ kàrẹ̀jẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ bá ìṣẹ́gun àrẹ̀ ọ̀ ìyá.
See any comment or beg?
Share the video for me.
I know they see any comments. I know the deported Stella, but then I really want to run your team about Bunuji near Bar. They tell me where yeah, when it's very would put a win meeting a video on the AK. Then honor to have a meeting or they sell another deported in Nigeria. Nigeria meeting where I yonder from not see me. Another deported lady now. I won't see anything now. Fair. No, every Musia, every Mossack, and Bagasha go home. Here I lady now. Again, I cannot, then I Musia, ya different. Ilo TV yo imwari Nigeria iriga webe gani ambe very for time win now or no one like a business kede no be guri iriga ahi
Why this do
wa him people foot today ina to lot boss e good let boss if you ya ju gweni ito gana we ewu estela bena ya deport ma fie mi hero paropa ona te to gwa pa be musia bi ba let me forget about the gwa yo makame but ina ari ogwani ina ya afia bi hoi maybe ni e ga metif yo Ipata so no we got tell him no we are so keep in Nigeria ni point I take a 2 or 3 Ghana Moscow in to load to you where in Amuki Stella in Nigeria na do tell you what I was you ya ni agbagba wo ni agbanegbe to no ga ke no go te pasa kiri amasejo e bi akoni ri oge e amasejo mo ga ri o ba e ni tana e manipulire musia e be iku ya ya seti we weakness e ni tana ina ya vie bien na to look you go moto de na mu bi so when I do tie stella ari obi ma ya mo ebe na ya mo ebe na ya mo ojo ta for me we say you ta for me na we say o ni eti fio e na ke na avo fio e ni to do fio abi ma no fio ya ye to pia abi ko be ni be ya we me ye be we na ko no be responsible be you ni de mana e we ana to we ona to ta ma we I do ta for me ti o pa baro ona we ti ade pa mi ti o pa ni wa je na we I te boni we ti pa e na kana bo ma fio that was 2013 be 2012 e gwakana e ma le be ye peri age e ra me de na to take meeting now they say like to tie me they say like we are iku e ari ku be ba de nya pa ini go me na yerede ona no adupona ibe si go be Stella self me so give me ibe go be Stella ibri e be meeting o ai sana bi akoni ri oge yori e be meeting ifu e meeting ni e akebe de me ari ku ibe je Nigeria ija egbe no bi oja gbogbo kefa imaye ke no hima wa no many street for Nigeria akongo si ja egbe e club ni ri ati e bi akoni ri oge a club ni ati emi opo my sister club e na we according to ebini o na we owo keri maga ko pegia no re wepu e na we ja egbe anu ho a sama we na na kata na me yepo yi ne we sama we na bi akoni ri oge na to data bitini igi de ba bitini ni ha go ni agba ni say he can say the seller we go na we na say he say the seller we go na we ni say any meeting we no re wepu uga te permit ya ba shego be Nigeria e wan chance for ulai e mi se je police mu ya agbago me bofo won e gba be de meje e ri an se let people we me say na kete be ti bu gba de mo na ye la ja bu me because be meje me to even na we me say na na bi e mi ti boy go so we na e ku be de na no rapo o ma e ku ma understand ya we fi to na pa ya ti ma understand yo ya je police go me ya mu ya e ma mi say we be agbo ni o ina le ni ajikwe fa o ha ne ya we mo ya fi aba ni fi ahin ina le ni ajikwu ni Stella Igari wo ke sala be kama menage ianje iku. Behold, it didn't be menado. Ya do kami awo ba le meji ku. So it's in Nigeria. A story book my people thinking around this so just story book. Naka watoga be stella the naka toge me umpo my sister club with them. Naka toge nene. Ake to toga mo se na deport na. The re Nigeria na mo se na deport. Ona are Nigeria when ore we put na ho welenia. Oh, she it's not taking a kidnapping organize. Iya kidnapping organize. Iya kidnapping here. Agagwa where the type where agwa woman where if I process no get liver. Our big here any of the who we negative deport in the majority of them our lenia people when we make a friend in Nigeria. You was our very big memos of Nigeria. You wanted to women our women, women, and even when they maybe more Joja, maybe Nayati, Yare, could also anything we are in Nigeria, but family men are they are we. Understand? And mammy yourself, and I do if I see you. In our top of a couple of people, apparently, just let us see. Yana, I did today while you're meeting with your Kanika by 2010. If I hear meeting today, I am not familiar. You're not giving the answer, giving the answer, and people. Here the remitting in me, yeah, it's it. Yet better. You're not realistic, man. You're not going to tear up. You're not going to get the big drop on and I go the size. You can't open a one with the biggest one. No. A Fiji milk, if I name a Fiji milk, if I get a Fiji milk, if I Fiji milk, you're not the Fiji milk, when you are coffee, you have the Fiji milk. Even if you are a boy, even a show you are push away. Everything Nigeria, when on a weapon, only at the Mitzi in Nigeria. Hey, yao, a Mitzi criminal again, Nigeria from one night. Una tipa. Oh God, the when you are no, partition, I swear to God who made me. A meeting on Ayana say, Valevae, Yana to Piansi, Europa, the people near Yamuise, every Kula, Europa, Yasoke parts in Europa, the co-pan, Yasoka parts in it. Nita, very big movie, only Yamusenia. Okay, everybody know what Europa can't take. You have to tear up on it. If you would want your time. I think any of the Medusa City, I'm not giving you the time. Fiji make you. Night make you, morning make you, afternoon make you, afternoon you, then you are back when my people are on the UK. You're not going to tell me, you're not going to tell it. And as you're really another fury on a one. Even the video in my yard today, every young guy, I do well, you could need the lotto, I mean, about Yakuni Wawa. That is what it is, Manako. You go na muno ma this seven upon the UK. Yeah, when you see it. Yeah, when I am going. I mean, I have your men and the second debating now. Is the gun is sell and I got you, huh? Who gets a point here? Here to Piani cool because that's a sell and Natalia Ishiku or Makami other meeting. Yeah, I got it. Kume. Yeah, I got it. Kume. Yeah, Rio. Yeah, nobody. Hey. Now this is going to make with a day. Alamana tell you upon the UK. Because baby, you know what? Because that's in Nigeria. Alamani Alinian way. A letter that is with your panorama weapon. Don't I get me? Erema or my own or my father. She was not. Maybe she don't even get the story. I don't know. Or say I can't be one of my no buy because if not, you might get so me. If you got one of my more body, come away. Meeting of Coco, you was 7 and you want to marry go make me. Yes, he owe me. You man, I have Yavi. Any pattern because you answer. He had to remember, I see not only that. He had a Kume, Imusenia, Imugonia, a French Mickey, then we make a Mossy, and Fritzy, the realistic, and he had the title talk by. He had never near Kiropa, a gift again. Today, one era, Imamia Bupia. One era, Mamia Bupia. And your Pama Sisters Club. Or that is where to not patch. Wamana be called a Mariana. I Mariabi. Who can't pay for it when Majanua. If Naja was what they could consider this side belly. If in a young Benedict Fury. Why he could pay you go? Because that's him pay you go. gave any young kuni wag everybody kuni. Maybe young kuni have a marry. Oh, Papa. Say you gonna give Mono Maria when you go with the go in Alamana day. Say the most not opa. Imami Abia when you go, Mammy and Mammy go. You can get to this your Sabbath as him, you obey. And I parrot here can desire here can no car or it can no car. And I do get police. Or you ever tell I the police here? We might be on the police when I do the police here. Yeah, this is session. I just said everybody they said they get calculating on the media the seller. Yeah, I could be listening. You can't get where you got the seller here according to them. Any of your time, you got the seller here. You know when you go, your mother say, "Man, you know your time to trophy and look whether you get yeah or the other also can say you get all the night." They say I want to be no eh. Every time what you have to Nigeria. Oh. Maybe I want a bit in Nigeria. Woman, if you don't see, if you don't take time.
Well, I like the video. One the yesterday.
If you know, young woman, where one will look all over here. I may have said, but I will make it that. Ale, what's this? You. You miss Nigeria. Oh.
If you're born a sisters club, your attention is needed.
See, today, he won't say a meeting in Mammy.
Okay.
Oh, we have a pie. A meeting, only I know better. They were 30 something, I'll be 20 something in number. Imagine, when I can't hear when we're there, over 22. Imagine we're gifting, we can't there 22 rubber. Imagine getting 20. Imagine I will come back 20 something rubber. You come put rice, eat to 20 something places. You come put meat, eat to 20 something places. You come buy drink, who do they teach milk? You can't on a sana. Papa, amen. Who do they? A beer, who they? A motes, who they? Then you give me a 7 meeting. A new bomb assistance club, you come up.
A new bomb assistance club.
No weapon or jai beer. If not, it's a report not a banana boy. And then the tracking I would be Latin. You go walking out here. Sisi Gurua. Obari Kumeno, Mama K, if it's your rock to take. I guess it's your nativity. It's a much video to talo de to feed and one out of tar. I have to meet one with the pool. It cannot live I hear way to Gaggy to Latin. Very ugly message meeting. Oh, young men went away. Never. A bit of pay. They're very great. I was a park of Pelitana. Man, over here at Nigeria. Ima telephone no buy. My boy, my back with Beguan. As a Pamata says here. Iwabetana, Ibaklo. So, Kuyana, we are Jai Benokwa. Or you're not seeing all that Jai Benoliting of Nigeria. You can't say that I can't tell them a boy, and now we boy I didn't buy me. No, why escape me? See, so tell the people, Imamia one around the beach, and your Poma. Imamia one around beer. And your Poma sisters club was sad one and nay, but you remember me. Why not ever remember me about walking a lot like day? Eva for walking a lot like the girl about the Bacotola, what the Bafola, but why you're in it. Why do you make it? Why you go back with me? Because who are men who make when it says that was the reason I love you and listen people, you guys are blessed and favor that make me to stop it where a meeting. Because even when I am like the one who gets a Pennsylvania, I'm not with this one. Other can have a meeting on okay, the other safe. If you could do my boss, I could tell a meeting on La Giana system. What I did Yanania or an ornament now is Stella. Agati e musi agaji anado dipotevi no way. True Stella yala meeting. Easy women as every aboniri way. At the end of the day, he wait police muya. Why someone went my people. He tell the big ass any tell them of market. Okay. A meeting at that time in our meeting away again. Let your pani have a party. That's here. Et tout palamanoga arrête et tu habites le viaca et manipu y a joint. On est tiré Ona we ni adu ko meeting. Ibe to gana we only even when they Spain. Any deporting, any deporting, no man responsible, not to boy deported, but run from there. Or see that make it run away. Yatamuwa a deported friend. Yeah, Ivana. Yeah, me bell, but they come in a very different way. You understand? Thank you, Madam. Hello. Hello, sir. Yeah, Baba, we happy New Year. Let's work you one now. Okay. Oh, you want to be able? One minute, one point now. Who just a meet your party at the police move again in the Debani and I'll be a man of paper. Who just did? No, no, even volunteer. Okay, only other to the dog checks in the venue or it's a different event. And the king, one of the canna, a missing at the canna, missing at one arrested there, and that's a Stella. Usually, the company at Stella, and what you have to meeting now, see go, if you have been arrested like that, we just say that now. Even if you got an tea today, because you know, said about one kind, a meeting Nigeria. I have you by him and the way to get it back. In for 1 night. Yeah, but don't take that bitch. Who got it by bitch in there? You go once and here anyway. So bad, no one put him on the way to him. Who understand it? So, if I don't share the number, we get a girl, we meet your baby, I give us a problem, meet your body, calculate bag, and I'm going to get police. Is that bad? Only the weather, I go a camper. He don't let you have a nationality, but he handled the person to him. Only a child to French, if you want to hold on the way to share no actress in it. Anything. I will tell you not to let it to him. A guy didn't no regarding the little child to French event of moving in Nigeria. Don't actress the one I look up to any of better. Don't see. Okay. But on them, it's in a letting no fat, no from Stella. Nigga, I go key, no has to get meeting. Yabija here can never be more than any Selena. Here, woman sit down and I get meeting Stella Lajamu way. You can let it in off for the Stella and get that bed. Then I hear police arresting ya. So, also, not yet. Okay, what I try to wait in there. Yeah, networking. No, networking. No, we're going to talk about Nigeria. We're going to go to me. I have to let us animal. What can we wait behind? Yeah, can I look better? Walk over with you. Okay, man, I'm actually will later. We are doing all right, bye. So, anything, my daddy people. You know, we are making for the take away for granted.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better stuff. This is wrong evidence. You know that this guy went call someone the wrong person. We called in on his live video because somebody called this guy to bring this, to make this guy feel like, to make the whole world understand that I'm watching the talk is not true to these guys are well, then go up and arrest those people. And from my own hearing, things. Now woman go arrest them. Then we could made the woman police station. That's one aside. If you listen to this guy response, you let him what this guy know about. He quickly talk about it, which is the one where affects Olita. Olita was his ex-boyfriend of Suzy Suzy. If you listen to what the guy talk now for this guy the guy called it because he tried to call the guy don't pick. Now when the guy see a missed call, then the guy called back immediately. And based on the confidence, said the guy called back and this guy had the call since he put the phone for speaker. Now that she was shoot herself for leg. He put the phone for speaker, made the guy talk. Now when they like to get understand, you remember that meeting where I go arrest somebody. Let the guy let him know say, not be the one where be concerned Olita. Mind you, my lovely people, Olita was the ex-boyfriend of this idiot. This Suzy, this Asaboro, Olita like on the fuck am. Mind you, the man was still born for. His brother still the fuck am. The Nosiba brother was still bugging Suzy. Everything they all do, confirmation code. You get my point now? Oh God. Now, as this guy talked just now, anybody where gets sense gonna say this guy did not know anything about what this woman was talking. What she was saying. He don't know anything about what this one was saying. You understand? The guy just say, okay, okay. If to say this guy was aware or get the idea of what she was saying, now the guy will help her finish up the whole scenario. It just be like I just carry phone and come and say, Alpha, we hear 2025. They're getting my guy, guy, what? They're getting guy, one I do, one I have your, why have you done the one who have your. If I ask that question, since now ain't go do it, go finish up. Epa, we hear Ikubai, in a have your inakba, in a airport road, in a yakuna airport road, in a Vienna, in a Moto, in a Manjua, Managa is so telling that is what you know. It's already been in you. If really I throw a little arrow about that scenario, your brain will pick up immediately. And you will analyze everything that play, everything that happened that day. You understand? Just like somebody come and say, Provito, why you live 1985? 1995. If you know something 1995, immediately the person they talk, I will just flow up. If you give me small info, I don't really queue up. Because I know say now weakness I be. No be say they say. You understand? That's to let you know say this person way Suzy Suzy not the wrong person. As evidence of what he's saying now. He get that wrong. Mother your person.
Well, I agree to a meeting I take away from granted, but nobody actually across the party member did with the officially. Understand?
Now, seriously, they go now. Now, so matter marriage, but they are not planned. That 32 million marriage will not go down where. Now they talk so if from there you enter on that person matter. Talkative, frustration and depression of a single mother living alone. This is the disadvantage when you are a single mother living alone. You never see Suzy Suzy Palo or this abroad. Any palo. Make it sit down, make a video in palo, make everybody see. He that we come yesterday, come from Libya. We all get apartment. Suzy not get apartment. One room neighbor renting. Evani yabo ukoviyeji. Aga Suzy we have a bed. We are not there. We bejo. A day I'm Suzy am direct lights. Bashawo. Why yo? What are you? I saw it. Don't we Suzy Suzy?
Police be why arresting in this
E la vet right here.
Police arrest. Oh yeah, oh no, why we go Canada? I pa no so dey pa this take be that I do him and they try to friend me why be another people. I like to be like what I say because say na this say Nigeria what or say the man go control it again e yo say the ono na o fifa when e bu o me fifa e gba le you watch and learning because not to book people again where they are not going to be trust. They are can you now here they could just try and you talk about what was saying I go yesterday. I give me sure your party future party with there now where Tomara second you want to let you know where Mama la borrow me 200,000 100,000. You borrow with 50,000 one in 1 year. Carry in 1 day when they are going to repay. Ishani even no man me or my young one has tried 2 times. If someone that called a friend, you want to treat me, why you have fed Bona Mulakara in a valley. I think I found out what to fuck up in official way why I deal with them. Who understand me? Why I deal with them. What do you with another no a meeting? When the Yaji go meeting in Nigeria, a meeting in Nigeria, one yakin. In fact, when the Nigeria costs a rock, a rock here, or more yakin. They don't have a conscience. Even able to conscience they don't have. They are one of Nigeria deal with you when you bow okay. They will deal with you in a way we will never forget it in a hurry.
How are you?
Well, cannot take it in Nigeria. Or I know a warrior about Ogijeki, who I must not take it in Nigeria, or I see where little about Ogijeki. So I just talked about to take everybody when I will know it is after that I deal with you and I even merely Bible in Nigeria, a young one, because now women are careful. A day and I will send a canopy to you, or you are boy and deposit your well for 4. Ogaga Bufanon, which is low with a big day, and we don't laugh in a major pickets.
Okay.
No, why can't you buy a Sony? A charge of fighting on my way back to the lesson from the team my way. I know what I was saying, and I didn't know say, no, can't magical say. Every pass I had to walk away, getting my way by your hotel. It'll be there when we are not like a family in a young one. It lets your body moon every pet your mama. Oh, one love with the man of my show, was him, and why I say. Yeah, I'm letting in your boy, your mother said, any much bill. Hello, Magia to a daughter, I just went to me, Nigeria.
Now, let's go to when you get sit down.
Because many must taking imagine a best when you would play that's in primary school. I go come up with it. In Nigeria, any measure or one in Yaga, what discipline or within Yaga, we tell it discipline when it's West one. A really fell feeling.
Well, this now, I'm going to draw now the photo.
Oh, they never to our we know that one, then I cannot meeting your by meeting your paper. The first meeting they come at the bar, I took this club in the day by the 2010. 2010, why you get it? Because it's a journey home. There are 20,000 journey that day. I'm a go outside now. Yes, that's very good. I'm working at Kakats in Iguaronari, which is very, very good. It's only where you think where we put out a go to here. Everyone's one need to go now.
All right. Greetings to every one of you guys. That is where she talk about Stella. You understand? Now, Stella want to respond to. So it's your opportunity. Still another life now. She's not in the life. She want to respond to Suzy. Let's listen to Stella. Okpamen or Rona, what is this rape problem? I mean, I'm worried. What is Stella? May we hear Stella on.
Ipa domo sa. Ipa ome kiseti imi note. No ma sendi me. Evito ni ga pun e ma ga sendi me ave friends me. We o ma saga me social media. Na o kiri play. Eleti na no black no we on. E voice ya nge so e. No ye Suzy Suzy ariufa no. E sitting nigga now. In fact, my Bible tafun kagbare sitting no kiri. Italo gaji. Ona ase madanya wona lefu. We were never met pay for yari. Ima she's not my friend. Oma me. So ave mania baby I was saving ya there is a time ya na be a kon do it wa kon. Be pepo gig baby ya. So ona do around one certain time. Ihe ogwa pun ya jo wa be do by wa ke travel. Or we waiting do me. Nah, it's that no problem. Waiting what the woman do. Or where a blessing of your me, a blessing mosquito, and I see a so yes, guy, make a friend there. It leads me, it marry leads me, you're young. So now what you mean? They let me be show me. Where yes, what you go in Nigeria. You know what you go for in Nigeria, they can walk then. What we soon on waiting away. It's our not say advancements, but you know, I do say, you know, where shall no problem.
Share the video.
No, man, I do a church of I used to go to Sunday service in that sea, and I excuse and we are. You know, you're giving the
Mona, share the video. Make you can listen to this particular part. And the so-called blessing mosquito. Mosquito mosqueque. I don't say you get my number. You understand? I don't ever mention your name for live video before. I don't ever mention blessing name for live video before. You know yourself. Blessing mosquito. Mosquito. Before you bite my blood. Call me with immediate alacrity. Before I go carry your picture comments. Sharply. This saga for this year. Go raw. Or say raw. When I talk about conversation, say raw. One more conversation. One way raw. This is a year of raw. What's up, a conversation? Say raw. Let me see you writing raw. Blessing mosquito mosqueque. Mosquito mosqueque. Your attention is needed with immediate alacrity. Type up for your comment section. Say raw. Raw. Wako. Wagboyo. This year is a year of raw. Una go history. Una left nipple will shift. All shift. A year now in yet be. It go to straight. You will see. When you have a life contract, no, why you mean everything? Go and buy Bluetooth. All people, see, if you're my fans, go and get a Bluetooth. Get a Bluetooth, plug it in your ear, and they listen to vibes. Oh, God. If you're my fans, as you tap on my page like this, share, like, they put your Bluetooth for your ear. Just they listen. Because this year, go to go raw. You go hear raw. Oh, raw saga. No, I hear raw info go declare. Go the shook. Blessing mosquito. Your attention is needed. Before I continue the audio, your attention is needed. Blessing mosquito. It don't say where they use your name, the chat for this social media about Suzy. I can never saga Suzy without calling blessing. To the extent, Suzy, don't even go give person, whether they give her or give person ayalapa because of that name they call blessing. I never knock and say blessing so person like this. He just suspect the two blessings we get for friend. Blessing mosquito, he go to go raw. You can't talk your eye this year. Let's go.
No be omo we sama o wo kin no ziba. Ina we oburi episho me.
No ziba is your husband.
Next ma do wa we boy mama o ma emu po. O pe ka ajose de osi aye. O ko ka be ajose de osi aye. O ko ni lo ma bo ya ni lo ma be. Again everyone ona mu ila wo sister la wo. O ma me na yin be o mo do ni. Iya wo hero. Eyin give me be pie ni la wo ni forgiving. Obilesun wo ugege wa the picture mark ige no be to ya be yan mi na be we o salo papa mi awo eleti na to ya la life ni initiate like me so ya travel e no we mo pa beziji ya be rants o be call vin o be at this side ni ibe jemine iri ma ya ro before kid wa me problem awe ma me show one day. Maybe show why you do at one be two or to turn on night, you know, one on because on one like a problem. It was sense a capability. So, okay, do I make problem in no way? Problem not to lead to deportation. So, you know, do a rover after I will be and not deporting me. In very France, the transit and not to damage it. The need do not to know, come no, but me not shoot me. On my certain immigration, we could not do a court. Along the line to almost 3 months and 1 day. Yanke to deport me, yanke deport me, yana where be no jena, di one me baby Spain. No, it is send the photocopy already, near the Donia say, you so a guy, Panaga tell Chelsea, Musia. We a summer of Musia. Only now, what in to take a man of AIDS. My way not to one of my obier, and fast a then you know we have the central. A day police no ready charge. Or we mammy fast. If you will be Bobby and we are deportation camp. After the deportation camp, we are deporting area rover since you are applying like the way area rover. So I was saying, brother, we will go a city man with maybe fear every rate. I'm going to have me so we brother, my brother, looking at maybe fear we load a container. So okay no si pana no so no yes si ariofana yes ona to tie me we o me boss no maze ya le fie jo nya so wa me ni hu be ya fie e luggage fa bo wa me because ya le luggage no bo wa e na wo ma you guys expect the luggage you can receive o gire e can yen ya rona call mo yo ga rana ti mari ma wo si mo pa se ni be bu me na Magbaje ya vie ni be wotubu. Vous êtes pour Marie Jona et na vie ni kana Moscow inye mami luggage et na wo wese ni ye na ba bikini ba ni. To sabe mi o mo ga ruwe. Me na be dukba. O wi ma se ti sana to se o wi club na ire club ifa. O mi ete o ni ede ba miti. Ije erivi oda fun ye no ti oda fun no ma mu gojo won no ziba. Ije gun yan awe peria. Ye o ni miti we gun yan riba. Ye mi ti o we no de. You know, my name is I bet. But the meeting man, we go no ederio. After 6 months, because they need to know you. Ya ke munu ria ya we na wabo awa mo me edere we kanu pin na mu go me munu we awe awa te ba we na no problem na jori no be jack man no jore we no ko ge fa no lo na next we reach our pa wu ni na ija do we ko. So, ona gbenite no be real. Yo gari Nigeria ken ko ti o pagba riba. Ya na be to tie ni. Ya na ikenije wa fa, ya na ikenije re. Ye tin to over e anu na woman. Ye gbeni ne ya we mi ari o to po ya gbeni la wa fun pilot ga nu. Ina wo ko ero e ti to to ko e then ya me be ni afie for one na e na gun me nu e. Iri ozo ya gbeni o. So na to set kuni. Primary school say anaji kuli. Imanije meeting on page. On page no yake azele.
Hello. 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 I got you.
Hello?
Yeah, what's off of me? I got you. Plus plus arts. It's screenshot or rephone with not rephone with now. Or rephone with no way I'm gonna. It's screenshot egg. Or rephone with us. It's screenshot egg phone with now. Or rephone send egg with Kevin and one to the end. You're very by. Hello. Alpha. Okay, I go to send come for you again. You understand? Make sure say na better phone they give them. Don't be say, how can you imagine you're buying new phone, the phone will already hot. You understand? They don't go give us Satan now. Make sure if make sure say this tell the thing I need buy for if they try to say I go drag the comment to another correct nonsense. Person go buy for both for 300,000 because the phone got the hot. How much for iPhone 17 Pro Max? No, well, I go forward the password come for you again. Okay. I did last broadcast now. In case you send them because they go tell you send me a notification, they will send me a verification code. All right, no problem. All right, okay, ciao. Nigeria to be monthly log up. You person go buy phone most about 280,000. Phone with all the hot. I am refund that phone. A phone brand new phone. Because the person know they see. Nigerians. I'm not logging in country. They want me opportunity. They will just want you to chop that opportunity. Chop you. Forward passport. I'm not hold on now. I'll continue now. Now that my guy will say they play guitar, or they play music. Phone where I buy for them. The phone the hot like something on them. Now see that they will do live. They go carry phone the face phone. But you really bad. That they buy their phone. Now me go return now. Maybe they give on that one. So as they return on, they give on new phone. So they need to install everything. We fed it out from one to this new one. So that is it. Oh, I'm also talk for national peace story. So before they go, let's go there. Let's continue playing our audio. We will listen to our sister.
Very far place. I mean, not to run in Mukunia. Market also by the rose 10 o'clock. On my desimotiva, or you are calling Selena Marigoni. Yamarigoni, and a woman said, that's is something I am the mood.
One of the listen now. Nashiba said, go register. She called this her friend. Make her friend. He want join meeting because of the husband, mama back. He want join meeting, carry the meeting, go to the husband, mama burial. Now this her friend say, in there to meeting. Now, this is an urgent thing. May you use the name, take carry meeting, come your husband, mama burial. If they donate the money, give him. He go give you for that canopy that day. Suzy said no, say he want just join, fully want register. This one can't give her a iye-eki phone number. Call the iye-eki. Then Suzy go call the Suzy go register for iye-eki and direct for upper. They stand for area. Now, before the course, okay, Suzy never follow the do meet you. He can't say, may the follow and go party for iye-eki. Now they follow and go. The collector say, as a new member, whenever go at party where you go need to stay in 6 months. Do meeting with us for 6 months before they will cancel the money give you. Now get the point. So now law will do for the meeting. Now the meeting they follow. Now listen. Most what's this guy? This when they play for their club, so they almost up for out here.
If I was not logging now, I don't log in now. We'll see.
All right.
We're going to wet the jag, or you watch out a lot about yeah, it was a master baby again. Or it's the dog my as a tea with a meeting. Then I get a benny. Here, look at diet in a case. Give you a gear, you will take it easy. We watch your dog by what it's here, Bobby Temple, no gun. A moment walk by me, you show your wound and another 1 minute phone and any phone. All not a review, I get it see upon it. Your body, I don't know what they won't come with you frustrated. And what we keep 1 million now. Only when I go to my 100,000.
Okay.
And I pay what to where she 6 months in Egba. I want to go good one on your Jagba advice. What up, boy, I many the see.
Okay.
The next thing in May, after some days, running on a police. On a Mujagbe. The Kenny Agina Wabbit near to. Or say no dote by meeting iye-eki we put the police in we miss you. In a police station with Saint Savior.
No, yeah.
In a way I have with Saint Savior police station. Yes, we just create a way here for me. You know, we should go now. We should go now. We should go. That's one me where we go. You know, we should go on 4th Street. No, we should go in the car. Yeah, West End. You know, we should go. But I 10,000 cents more powerful.
Yeah.
We should go. So, I carrying a statement in the mix not to statement. And the club in Mania, I will police in Congo. I will police in Congo. So, I'm not taking 1 hour and I believe the money, billable offense, and I believe my lap. So, Mana, you were candy with the man, you were carrying with a Jojo, my lesson, Savior Lama, can't they? They were the phone here, we want to realize and book. Or Tiaponina, we speak, is it a ball, or Tiapomene, a room I was sagmon, a ring a 4th Street, a real mountain is it a bottle. A Jack Bemena, Monogamy on a way, Stella Bettine, he has one scene. In our can see by no 4th Street. That's where 4th Street kids are Lorena. In our walk my little work kids are living. In it soon, or the fool where what Jagger Tirimos okay, a tenant our way. On our way.
Una era. You are here. Una era. The Almighty Suzuki, the August mama. Noziba go prison. How Noziba take go prison? Noziba was drinking and driving. Noziba was drinking and driving at the time. After months and not months, police control Noziba. They come take Noziba go prison. 3 months imprisonment when Noziba go before Noziba come back. 10 months when Noziba get for house. When they fuck Suzy, when they box Suzy, when they lalo Suzy Suzy on trace. On a back here, I saw he. I came here with a work. It cannot now back on you here. Na back on your on a quick on a sack quick on a sack quick. It's not so, it's not a web when it's not near me quick. It's not here, no zizi, no zizi, so no zizi, like it, no zizi, vagua. It's not to get back me here. It's not, no zizi, uma perenia, no zizi, uma guagove, no zizi, uma batcoyo, 10 months. Oh, that's one. And this is the person that will come on social media. Oh, we are orgasm mama, orgasmophobia in the 1960 Constitution of Nigeria. Orgasm, orgasm, worker. The first Suzy who have a Pajero man able inside the house. Oh, now ya so you kiss small boy. To this social media, or I like Facebook, or I like social media, or I go on. Or ye carry what organic bullet here, a stretch back in Yagbo. Creamy fashion is killing Suzy Suzuki. Listen, what are we high? It's still a guana. Still long have here a magala, a bevaria, Aproko, Gear Spain, the Musia, no ya lumone, Noziba. Noziba, who was a wanted in Benin. Suzy has never come on social media to let the world know where Okpamen is a killer. He killer Yebiena. He has never one day come out on social media to let the world know where Kiliostic, and Yebiena. Kelechi, and Yebiena. Kelechi, are you not trying? And Yebiena. Nah. Ibo up Mara. One dash shall never end. All the glinters are not gold. You see all those prisoners living fake life on this social media. This year, we will expose them. This year, it's terroristical. For this year, they'll collect. Yes, 3.
You know, Sally Musa can not fall straight. Let that back with the Musa and let me wear. Why better won't give it in it? In it, we are massing, and I are a so not in no level.
What I hear? Oh, we will do.
Mammy say, Matiponi been for years. In mind, when you make contact, and one set it trying or some part of the team for France, or where the same summer of Musiana, some Momage, okay, no zipper now. So now, go hand me where me feeling. You know, when you are going, no, that's it to Hoya. Or dirty poor Hoya. Okay. In a fee, in a bit or paper. 6 months away, I am with 50,000, I be 60,000. That was there. 20,000, 2,000 era, every chuponi
50,000.
In a way, 6 months in I give it on to the police and give me tea.
Over 10 years.
I gave it on your toe. I said, now, well, my get away for auto when me tea. Or you come with me tea. Or you have 50 million, any other anonia. On our way, let's in my day, on our way, a bit bala. And I said, useless human being. When I summon here, Jeff, no, somebody you found it. Musana, send me member. In a Jeff in your way to hand Jeff is here, a Cassie, open me, here with connection as you go. I'll send a Jeff, man, I send the photocopy of me. None of me are not supporting me. You know, I gave you a quick with me. In a frustration, in anybody no issue, in a hand me shooting at the oh, you see, no day. He must send the video me. Me mind must send the video me. O man to tell me direct me send the video me. Zima dame ikwe video. I don't come in because nene so and I know yes see you fana or man no see no caro white thing about please check be wa funa. So if I see the ya every no if you no na pe be na let potting or roba if you feel man go so saga me kali many thing frustrated you and chago this is the person more county pie of your more be te bata fun no si pa bi we am we go show baby father wa no obe the bad way or the phone or she ran no in Nigeria boma waga gwale here
okay
you other look morocco la wepo in a frustrated kids salary e no se panaga mo ogwa oga mo ogwa no be wepo be bani e riori ye ga woni ari peni ona ya so ye ifo ga ya woni ogware ona to tota ona to pio pa be no pio ni mari peni oni na be kan no se pa we ni ayari peni e peni yeri no meme. It all do ya frustrate. I don't want to look man. On a do no si baniopo. I know my yari po no ni. Women not an you and have any I take care. Because they said in me not to what they said not a friend not there. It's simply the sensitive.
Oh, look, one of your nation. When I see this life, no balance. This one when they talk so, he buy house for Spain. As they want the portal now. Since he buy house for Spain, if you go see person, go send the documents because he agrees, okay, he go put up for us. They go free him. The man when corner, that one not come send paper, come give him. They can't deport this man. Unknowing to this woman say, that one they use in your house, they do connection house, pack guests for your house, do connection house. The same Suzy, next you go tell this woman, say, oh, where, what do you do we have stay? Oh, you will connection house, you guess you will. You get my point now. Suzy first speaking, the man, the Noziba when born for, I say the Bogan, so Noziba brother, they the Bogan. Two of them was gonna fucking the Suzy, a archaeologist, Agbekayui. Oh, Baba. Same matter. The same woman when they come in, they talk, they paint smart, they talk anyhow, they talk, say, like, say, now she holy pass. When they hear the atrocity of this Olushosho, this Igbiagiano, Nima Balance, this Abakausa. When I hear matter, now they hear cassette of Suzy, the Olushosho, the Igbiagiano. No, continue to the listing. Either if you go this year, go roro. When I type roro, but moja we roro.
Exactly. It demand me said it for year no not to saga, never you know. Gay, and not pick Benny Mill, and if you for one at Amam go near Zigona Mune. Well, yeah, I will not yet bow so bari. You let me see Guemutia. Then you pay and meet you, you met them with your penny, nine. Let me see who I met you know. Equimity ato. You let me see a luage meeting, and a luage meeting, the luage cune. When I'm going to work and I am going to Yam, my West Coast, I am. When I do a police with meeting, the meeting over the day, we go nowhere. Ah, we are after I drove a police in for 6 months, you know, to breathe a meeting. Nanny allow. Now you try not in your hair. Now, they say, and we are team we go ne. A legend, I wouldn't no reason, no time or ya woman. On I think to win a meeting back.
Yes.
There will not be a police in which I them with me see ya.
Exactly.
We go get here, I have to put the neighbors. Because I won't Bible. I mean, Mopata can't so Salopa deg in the Fenona. If you also near with me, I had to a period in me, yalla meeting it. My former Pamagu meeting it, and Pony Mabe Green at Tebo. I ain't not see a boji. I'm going no, or we are going and you see a convenient West Seminary, one. Also, one is fine, Mother in I also went away. Yeah, if I look at Bossy, I bet you, Yam, the young with a fear, sorry. Or we have your luggage if I will want me. Better luggage or have your women. A luggage no fury. A luggage no fury. Imani luggage no fear women. A cana must go. Or you have fear me the water. A luggage no fear women are fury. You will make fury. You see the luggage in fire. Or what we is zero me. In our me. A year miss now me. You will never have time. Equal back and my job after work many on our winning nearly 10,000. Me pay 2,000, be 2,500. Ne miti kunajo for never a time. Now where you have to me video. Okay, no, say, but what you want me make it by the city, my car, okay, I can't make problem. Or we in a call why in a person no zip while we musa what do panos or pony on our ye pecho ya basago or simba panality blessing no remusiava or ya can make bonny yo. You're so in Nigeria. Otu ene ya se button na we je den on 19 boy or Nigeria or what see on no tebe stage ya woni the queen na no I guess they only rejuke or frustrate a problem one make lele ya kan ye mepo ebe papa jiro ebo ni emu na ehwa omo ne pe o be webo wa alaja social media make a problem in a frustrate the webo the man like social media don't ori enu laja a problem here this is the beginning for her. Yeah, see with a personal. Since a week be muye, a be muye. Since a week be muye, na one muye. A master meeting in Etana for past 10 years. Or the Nigeria Cateria day. What's the normal day? Why can not allow me see? No one meter football man me. No where you get Tory.
Okay.
Oh, there. The Bajala Lanya, real. Ege boy I was so by ya failure or to the meeting Gwemutia. Then no ya going to meeting, there ya to meeting.
Very
One
good. You have a good one.
Ege boy I was so by ya failure or to the meeting Gwemutia. Then no ya going to meeting, there ya to meeting.
Okay.
Or one shower you know, you be sending gaga fuck lega. And you go. Oh, what kids are Ronaldo stay as a housewife. Only what that women as that time, what has on Europe, so 800 euro. Emma, the normal job, the village money. Unless a man will extra, I want to have been 1.1 something. What can I kind? What when no we are no we say, them okay we say, next soil. No, yeah, a video from the oil weapon.
Suzy.
When I'm man, boy, me kure and mo kan gbo mo kan so pe. Aka mo ka we sini. Kime kiye do na shawo when no go what okay. When no be mo o we no ka be misplot.
Oh.
If you say no wine. O be aye be ro ya ku ye me.
Oh.
Na me page ye correct.
Oh.
Pictures ye we ya feel latia. Because a legend emerging tell you they exist. A picture of a queen, evidence of a queen I sent me when last month. If I'm not saying, then I snatch it or tear every year. Or going, man, maybe exist. What can I can?
Oh. Suzy like one chance. Miss Blood, that way people wa. Any kind of weather we are more presenter. Miss Blood. Or Tivana Hoe. Hey, wahala. Wadoge Suzy Suzy. Onya Aproko. Wadoge Suzy Suzy. Onya Aproko. Suzy Suzy. Miss Blood here. Hey, Suzy Suzy. Miss Blood here. Give you to me. Suzy Suzy. Miss Blood. Suzy Suzy. Miss Blood yo. Suzuki Suzuki. Miss Blood. Suzuki Suzuki. Miss Blood yo. Suzuki Suzuki. Miss Blood. I tell you, I said this year go to go ra. Suzuki oh. Miss Blood. Now, furthermore, let's go furthermore. This particular one is for Suzy Suzy, the Miss Blood carrier. Suzy Suzy, the HIV patients. Suzy Suzy, the okpamen, okpam blah blah blah. Blessing mosquito mosqueque. You are highly welcome. I will be coming out again with your picture. Because this year, no mercy for anybody. You get my point now. We'll be coming out again for your picture. Suzy Suzy, the causa. Suzy Suzy who refused to balance a madam. When I see the kind of life where they live for abroad, they go sit down, make up first layer, second layer, parents, Mary K, Sister K. They go tell live video, they address people we get integrity. Why their life not nonsense. Stupid set of women for abroad. When I see life, whoever thinks says Suzy Suzy, they dodge the chop man prick on code. Why ain't get man for house? Whoever thinks so, he's shocked. When he started, they cry for live video. This is the same person where they carry person matter the hawker like gala for this social media over this. This video don't go long. I pause, I rest my case. I want to see the response of Suzy Suzy. And after the response of Suzy Suzy, I go bring this woman come live. Live and direct. You go bring face comments. Make everybody see and say yes. Make Suzy Suzy say, in on the fear now in the talk so. When Suzy Suzy husband go work, Suzy Suzy go carry my entire house. Suzy Suzy husband, the 3 months prison when they drink, they drive. In your tenant, they bug you, they give her, they do give Suzy doggy for inside kitchen. Now they will be here. It's not talking about way. Suzy say he come Belgium, come work. Whereas Suzy was in Belgium, stay for it. I don't talk this before for social media. The reason why they shake the fear, they beg my go, make it beg me that time. They cannot talk. Because you know, see, the info we do with me, it's too big. All the secret they with me. And person, and your personal person diagnose everything about Suzy. A blessing I don't want you near with Musia. Blessing the whole picky for Musia. On not agreement, no more a resident in the blessed the Suzy. No, you apply, no, you renew a document again. I know the person. The Musiawa. Not yet resident in there. This is a woman to again, I think go roar, shall go drag the person comment. Even though you born on it. We know everything. It's all good. We're going to be leaving this place right now. Should we go to TikTok? Or get a lot of sand for ground into the chopper? We'll leave this place. We'll go to TikTok. We'll still go diagnose this better for TikTok. Sapali. Then after that, we'll still come back to YouTube again. We'll come diagnose abandoned goddaughter. Abandon and don't trust goddaughter. Goddaughter where they sleep around a matrimonial home. Oh yes. Goddaughter where they sleep around her matrimonial home. A useless goddaughter. How can a goddaughter of a king like Umenwan be an abandoned and adulterous goddaughter? So we're lega, we matter me we get no how you don't hide on code. Now God will punish you. Adulterous goddaughter. Adulterous goddaughter. Adulterous goddaughter. Adulterous goddaughter. Adulterous goddaughter. A goddaughter no give water. 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 One thing I love so much is that all your talk is all stupid. People listening to you know so you are stupid. You don't get anything to talk. Anything to talk about. Yeah, just stupid, baby girl. But people like us, where would they come on talk? On YouTube, they come they play your audio. Abadan gadata. Abadan gadata. Abadan gadata. Audio raw. Me have to play this one first. Me have to play one audio for them. Me have to play one audio.
Sir, government.
Where I got most of our married now. There are many ladies in Europe. The fear of Mamma. Every minute away, we can't snow. I'm a Wuta Cotillo. No matter that's a bit behind. You have a husband. You have a man that you call your own. It's not a price.
It's a price. Oh, the bar.
Maybe I mean, they want to eat. Oh, I am. Even the home,